This is a Mazz faucet made by Kohler. I've had this one for about 3 years, and it started to have some really annoying problems, which I'll demonstrate. You can see that sometimes it switches back and forth between spray and stream without anybody touching the controls, and sometimes while it's on stream the water pressure falls away until it's almost a trickle. Kohler says that this unit cannot be rebuilt, but they are wrong. It actually can be taken apart and every component of it can be removed, cleaned, and reassembled. I did that, but it didn't actually help. But while I was doing that, I figured out what the real problem is. And you don't need many tools to fix it. All I've got here is a set of needle nose pliers. I've ground the tips down slightly to make them a little bit smaller and sharper than they usually were. You can do this entire job with the sprayer head still attached, although it does make things simpler if you unscrew it here. For simplicity's sake, I'll leave it attached. Around the perimeter of the aerator are 4 little half-circle shaped holes. These are designed for a special tool to go in to let the Kohler technicians at the factory assemble this piece. But you can use them to take it apart. What I'm going to do is take my needle nose pliers and shove them in 2 of the holes. And then, once they're good and in there, give it a good twist. And it will unscrew. It's going to be real stiff at first, but it will start to come apart. Now I've turned this about half of a full turn now, and I'm going to try it again. Good as new. So why does this work? On the inside of this sprayer head is a little piston valve that is moved up and down by hitting this switch. Now, the valve body is made of 2 pieces of plastic that fit together. One is on top, one is on the bottom. They slide over each other, and the piston moves inside that section. Now, when this ring at the bottom has been tightened down too far, the entire valve body is compressed and slightly crushed. And that leaves the piston not enough room to move. So it's either down and hitting the valve body or up and hitting the valve body, but in either position, there's not enough room left for water to flow under or over it. So you get that annoying behavior. So just by backing off this about a quarter of a turn, you release that pressure, the valve body gets slightly larger, and there's room for the piston to move freely, and water can flow past it on either side depending on which setting you're on. So, without even taking it completely apart, it's fixed.